tomorrow morning. Undercover, babe, I'll be disguised. Shooting star, I'm without a safety net. Give me a ride, I'm going far beyond where the sun sets.
Hey, you're awake.
What's the time? Oh my God. Oh my God.
What?
I've been sleeping in the cage.
Relax, darling. Don't stress yourself. I mean, I have made breakfast for them to eat and they've had their bath. So, they're ready for school.
Baby.
What? What?
Thank you so much.
Oh, come on. Look, the least I could do is make sure you get enough rest. Come here.
Ain't you just the best in the world?
Am I?
You know I married the best man, right? The most handsome baby boy in the world.
Isn't this too early for this
Like my
sweet
husband. I love you so much, baby.
I love you too, darling. Come here.
Thank you.
You're the best.
You're the best. He doesn't work
You-
like that.
Okay.
Okay, let me just go and check them.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you so much, baby.
Slept good?
Yes, I did, but I need to still go check on them.
Okay, no problem.
You're dressed, right? So, join me downstairs.
All right, darling. Hurry up, hurry up.
All right,
Tell
baby.
them I'm ready.
Good morning, baby. Good morning, darling. Oh, wow. This looks delicious.
Mom, the meal is, oh my God, delicious.
Oh, okay.
Delicious.
Oh.
Must you always repeat my words?
Come on. Stop that. Words are meant to be free, so allow her to express herself, okay?
Okay.
So, eat up, eat up, eat up, eat up. Daddy will soon be here. Eat up, fast.
Okay.
Hello, ladies. It's about time we meet. Let's go. What's going on?
Daddy is here.
Hey, good morning, darling. Good morning. How are you?
Honey, sit. Let me get your food.
Honey, darling. Ladies, hurry up. You're late. Hurry. Come on. Let's do this.
Okay, honey.
Don't worry yourself, okay? I made that for you.
Baby, no now. Come, just...
I'm late. I have a meeting by 8 a.m. I'm late already, please. Ladies, hurry up. We're running late. Please,
Okay,
please.
be fast, okay?
Oh, you know what?
Alright.
That will be in the car waiting, okay?
Yeah, it's fast.
Okay. Daddy,
Yes.
just a reminder, you said you're going to see my teacher today.
Oh, yeah, sure, I will, darling.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Eat up.
Okay, hurry up. I'm in the car waiting.
Eat up, okay?
Please, hurry up.
All right, darling. Have a good day.
All right, darling.
All right.
Love you.
Yeah, I love you too. Be fast. Is it still hot?
My mind's accelerating.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Eva. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. Thank you, sir. Sir, about the summer vacation you asked me to look into, I've done my findings and I'm able to come up with few different countries, but different from the ones you've been to. And this is a well-structured one with different amazing packages.
Okay. Let me hear it.
We have Europe, Asia, and South America. And we have a family resort, beach access, and a good security measures. And this suits your preferences perfectly, sir.
Impressive. Send me the details when you're done.
Okay, sir, I will.
Okay. And one more thing. Forward the new proposal from the engineering team to my email. Let me glance through it now that I'm less busy.
Okay, sir, I will send the cost of breakdown to your email, sir.
Okay, Eva,
Sir?
you're doing great.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Darling, why do you insist that you and the kids want just 1 week holiday when you and I know they both have over 5 weeks before school resumes.
Babe, I told you that Jasmine's class teacher complained that she had forgot a lot of things she was taught in class the last time we went on vacation. So she suggested that I homeschool them or probably get a home teacher. And then you don't like the idea of summer school?
No, I don't. I don't like it at all. I mean, it's enough that you wake up every morning during school season. My darling, vacation is supposed to be a time for you to rest and not stress yourself. You see all that waking up in the morning, rushing to pick them up after school every evening. I don't like it at all.
Babe, you're the one that doesn't like the school bus idea.
No, I don't. Come on, what are you saying? I mean, my reasons are rooted from my childhood trauma, so I don't. But you know what? I'll think about it. Yeah, we'll find a way around it, okay?
Wait. Hope it's not painful.
No.
Okay.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
what country are we going to for the next vacation?
Well, I don't know yet. But for this vacation, we'll be spending just a week.
What? A
Yes.
week? But that's too short. Yes, Mom, that's too short.
Okay, you girls need to attend the summer lesson.
Summer lesson?
Yes.
But we never had one.
But there's always a first time. You need it. Especially Jasmine.
That's heartbreaking.
I'm sorry. I know it's heartbreaking. But you still go on the vacation, but it's just a week. But you know what?
What?
Daddy promised to get you girls the latest. The latest.
Just say
Okay.
already.
The latest tablet.
Wow. Wait,
Yes.
are you being serious?
I am. I'm serious. That's the one you want. I know you had always wanted it, so Daddy said he would get you. And you know I've got you. And Daddy has got you more, right?
Thanks, Mom.
Thank you.
A home lesson teacher.
Yes, buddy. A home lesson teacher. I don't know. I don't like the idea. I mean, I'm not comfortable with strangers in my space. I value my family's privacy a lot.
Then you don't have to. Simple.
Oh, man, it's not that easy. It's not. Look, Jasmine lags behind in school after every long vacation. And it's beginning to weigh my wife down. I don't like it. I don't want her troubling herself. I don't want it. I want her to rest. And she does a whole lot. Preparing these kids to school, doing a whole lot of house chores and business. It's just too much for her.
Yeah, I get it. I understand. She's a strong woman. Okay, so how about, after the short vacation, you buy some gifts for her? Make it up to her and the kids?
Come on, what are you saying, Greg? Of course I do that, you know it. Or maybe I'll just try more. I'll just do more.
Oh, shit, Mr. Loverboy.
Yeah, say, Mr. Loverboy. Not go marry you. They do Loverboy there.
Omo, now marriage to the right person, sweet die.
Yeah, I know, but still, pray to God. God will give you better wife. Because they do Playboy, Loverboy, but I'm waiting to worry you.
Babe,
What?
you sent me 10 million naira.
Come on.
Oh my God!
You like this? Excited, right? You like it?
Oh.
Hey, look. Since you'll be spending just a week on vacation because of the kids, I thought of ways to make it up to you. I think this is one of it.
Oh my God, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You just know how to spoil me silly.
Well, that's because you're such an incredible woman. And because I love you with all my heart.
I love you too.
Yeah, also, I've been thinking about the idea of a lesson teacher.
Okay.
It still doesn't sit well with me, but I don't have a choice. So you have my support. You can go ahead. But make sure you do thorough check. Health, background, references, everything. Our safety is important.
Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome, darling.
Baby, you know I love you so much. And yes, I'll do thorough check.
Good.
Health, background, family, everything.
That's
and I'll make
beautiful.
sure I bring in somebody fit for this family.
It's okay.
Okay?
I love you.
I love you too. What would I have done without you, baby?
Okay, so I'm not going to ask that question. What should you tell me? I love you.
I love you. I love you.
I'm glad you're happy. I love you too.
What can I do without you? Babe, I fixed an interview with the new lesson teacher for tomorrow.
Well,
Coming over to the house.
Well, that's fine. I hope you've done all the background check and everything necessary.
Yes, I have.
Oh.
I've done everything. All we need now is just a face-to-face meeting. And I fixed 9 a.m. for tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you for all you do for this family. I appreciate it. Come here.
Thank you too, baby. You do more. You do more.
It's
More.
allowed.
Mom, Jen beats me.
Oh, Jane. Why? Why did you hit your sister?
She started it first.
I don't care who started it first. I have told you several times that do not hit your sister. All you have to do is report her to me or your mom. Now apologize to your sister.
Sorry. Jen, sorry.
That's more like kids. Well, you're supposed to protect your sister, not beat her. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, take my said. No more fighting, right? Good girls. I love you.
This kid's something else.
Good morning, sir.
You are Miss...
Emma, sir.
Oh, Miss Emma. It's nice to have you here.
Thank you, sir.
Please, be gentle with the kids. They can be really challenging, but I'd appreciate if you're careful with them and...
Sure, I will. That's not a problem, sir.
Alright, excuse me.
God. What? This man is so cute. Damn. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay. These are the kids.
Oh, okay.
This is Jane and this is Jasmine.
Hi, Jane.
Say hi to Miss
Oh.
Emma.
You are...
Good morning, my dear. Hi, Jasmine.
Okay, there's a study room just next to their bedroom, but I would prefer we use the dining area so I can monitor everything.
Okay, that's not a problem, ma'am.
Okay? So you
Okay.
can have them.
So, come on, girls. And we're gonna start. But first of all, I need to know what you like and what
Emma, you're back from work. How was work? Emma, are you alright? What's wrong?
Cindy. I have finally concluded that God does not love us equally.
That's not true. God absolutely loves every one of us equally.
I saw my boss's husband today.
Okay. What about him?
Hey! Cindy, this guy, fine. This guy is too cute. This guy is clean. I wonder why whether my boss gets two heads or I don't know. She just has everything I have ever dreamt of in this life. The guy is tall, he's fair, pink lips, clean, with 2 kids, just like I've always wanted them. No, at this point, I have concluded that God does not love us equally.
Emma, funny you. You don't know that all fingers are not equal.
I beg. No, don't give me that crap. Which one is all fingers are not equal? So why is my own short? No, tell me, why is it short? God gets a favorite. That is all I know.
All me I know is that God loves every one of us equally.
Make I hear. Okay, so you understand what I've taught you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Jasmine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Hi, Miss Emma.
Hi, Mom.
How's it going?
Very well.
Okay, so I'll need you to round up early with them today.
Is there a problem?
Oh, no, there's no problem.
Oh, okay.
I have a spa date with the girls at Pearl Spa at 12 p.m.
Pearl Spa?
Yes, Pearl Spa.
Okay, Ma, I will just round up with them.
Okay. All right then. And please do tell me if you need anything, all right?
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ma.
All right, darling.
Pearl Spa? Wow. Okay, let me see what you have.
Babe, please calm down. Calm down. Relax. Why are you so restless like this? Are you taking paracetamol for another person's headache?
Do you know what or how much a spa session at Pearl's costs? Do you know what that costs? She's not just going alone. No. She went with her 2 kids. You know how much we're talking about, right? No, now you understand what I'm talking about.
Boy.
I not just know. Emma, this your head. This head where you carry. What did it happen? Now swear. Hey! God, I beg you.
Some people are really enjoying this life.
I don't know whether I escort people come this world. No, seriously.
This girl, please, I beg.
Hey, God, when? Oh, God, when? God, when? Hey?
Oh my God, this girl, you are so funny, I beg.
2 times 1, you get 2 times 2. So. Okay, let me help you get something. Two times 3. Okay, let me see. So calculate that and get it right.
Well done, Miss Emma.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hello, kids.
Hello, Dad.
What do you want Daddy to get for you?
I would like ice cream and sausages from the new restaurant.
Oh, the new restaurant.
But Dad.
You too! Okay, girls, I'll get you what you want, alright?
Thanks, Dad.
What do you want, Miss Emma?
Me?
Yes, what do you want? What would you like me to get you?
Nothing. I'm fine, thank you.
I don't take no for an answer. But don't worry, I'll get you something. Kids, I'll see you when I'm back, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright.
Oh.
Yes. Do you now understand?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, it's alright. Jasmine.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
Fine.
Who are you?
I should be the one asking you, who are you and who are you looking for?
Well, I am the new lesson teacher.
Oh, I see. So what's your name?
Excuse you.
You heard me. What's your name?
Emma, how are you?
I'm fine, ma. Good morning.
This is my sister. My twin sister. Yes, we're not identical.
I see. I wouldn't have known because you both aren't identical. Well, not all twins are identical. Some are different and some, are different in character too.
What did you just say? No, repeat what you just said.
Sis, come on. Come, let me show you something.
Okay. No, I have to do something else.
What? Mama. You mean your mother-in-law jokingly said if you did not have a son, she will bring in a new wife to give her son a boy child?
Can you imagine? So only boys are children. Girls are no longer children. I felt like squeezing that woman's mouth, but thank God for the presence of the Holy Ghost in my life.
What kind of stupid joke is that? I'm sure if Frank hears this, he won't take it lightly.
My dear, I didn't even bother telling him.
Girl, thank God you are blessed with a good husband. If not, that your mother-in-law is the weapon fashioned against you already.
I'm telling you, my sister, I'm telling you. But it's well. God is in control.
You know what? Don't think about it.
I'm actually not thinking about it. It's the least of my problems right now. I'm fine. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Take care of yourself. Bye.
Yeah, so... babe, anything I am doing, I have to do it and act fast. Yeah, because as it stands right now, her mother-in-law is already pressuring them to just give her a son. They don't have a son. So this is my chance. What do you mean? Hey! What happened? Jesus. Cindy, she will just sit down like this, make opportunity to pass us by.
I don't understand. What happened?
See the car with my boss buy for your wife. Very expensive. Hey? You know the sweet thing that they show you? This car is expensive.
Hey.
Wait till this kind of thing now. Why our own case be like this? You know that our early morning prayer we would always pray. You know that may God open doors for us. Now the prayer be this. Now the prayer be this.
Emma.
I don't know why whether most people case they different from our own.
You and this your mind there.
I beg, damn that not make me try ask you. You sure so will not go just, collect this thing. I be waiting you think.
What for you?
This is expensive now. You know, see waiting that they show you.
Not yet. Just... I'm very sure he's going to stop. I am his kid's lesson teacher, so there is no way he'll see me stranded and just, you know, pass like that. Okay, I'll just keep watching. I know he's going to pass soon. Babe, I think he's coming already. He's on his way. I just saw him now. You know what? I'll call you back, okay? Let me just pretend like nothing. Yeah. Okay.
Hi, Miss Emma.
Hi. Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Where are you headed?
Home. I'm just waiting on my cab.
Oh, cab guys. They sure know how to frustrate their clients sometimes.
Yeah, right.
Sorry about that.
Thank
But
you, sir.
why didn't I drop you off?
No, sir. You don't have to stress it, sir.
I insist. Let me drop you off.
Sir,
I mean, you're standing under the sun. It's not proper, please.
okay, if you insist. Thank you so much, sir.
Is this where you live?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, take care of yourself.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Sir,
Yes.
can I please get your number? Sometimes I find it very difficult to reach out to madam. You know, network issues here and there.
Oh, okay. No problem. That's fine.
Yeah.
I'll give you. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Bye. Have a good day.
Yeah, me too.
Babe, this guy is too cute. Hey! And he smells so good. Babe, you cannot stay close to this guy without touching him. Ha! He fine. He fresh. I was just this close to doing, okay, sir. You know, sir. But I just couldn't. I was just, you know, holding back.
Girl, you are too spoiled. Relax. We can't go through that route. You will just ruin everything. Slow and steady wins the race.
Okay, ma.
So, why don't you text him? Yeah, text him, then we'll take it from there. Send him a message.
Is it about control? Losing the grip, you get old.
So you got my message, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, please, do a good job.
Don't worry.
do a good job.
Trust me now.
I'll send you the car, the
Okay.
plate number, and his picture.
Okay.
I just want you to follow him around, please. I want a good job.
Don't worry, trust me.
A very good job.
Trust me.
I trust you though. So I'll send the color of the car to you,
Okay.
the plate number, and his pictures.
Okay.
So I want you to follow him. Everywhere he goes, go with him. The lounge, restaurant, bar, office place, anywhere, just keep following him. Okay? I'm
Just
waiting
trust
for
me.
your feedback.
Trust me, I'm going to give you a good job.
Okay. If you do so, I'll double your money.
Don't worry now. Now we the run now. Don't worry.
All right. Thank you so much.
Right.
Nice one.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me. You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kinda feels like wasted something that was good right from the start. Let me tell you that I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Baby, let me hold you, hold you, hold. I still wanna hold you, hold you, hold. Your eyes intoxicating. There's something.
What else do you guys have?
Chinese rice and assorted.
Okay, the Chinese rice is fine. Oh, hi, sir.
Ah,
Hi.
Miss Emma, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm doing amazing. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. What are you doing here?
Well, I just came out for lunch.
Oh, that's fine.
How are my kids?
They are doing perfectly fine.
Oh, great. And Madam Mary?
Here she comes.
Hi, Miss Mary. Wow, good to see you.
Beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you guys, smile.
Thank you.
Oh yes, we actually came here to get some snacks for the kids. Jasmine likes the meat pie here.
Okay.
We are coming from
An event, actually, yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
All right, I just came to have lunch.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll just go back to my
All right,
seat.
darling. Okay.
Don't forget scotch egg for Jasmine. Yeah, she likes theirs. It's not a lot.
What kind of bad market woman is this? Eh?
I tire. Which kind problem with this one now? Eh? The moment I set my eyes on this woman, I just felt like squeezing her with my bare hands. Be following this man everywhere, this fine, handsome, good-looking guy. Everywhere they go, just the full and finish. Which kind of thing be this? Ha!
Abi, she already has everything. Can't she allow another person's daughter to eat from this national cake?
I tire. Only she won't chop everything. She won't chop thank you, chop very much. Na greediness now. I beg. No, this is too much. Oh. This just one chance, one opportunity where I get. Don't spoil am for me.
Babe, just calm down. Don't worry. We'll re-strategize. We'll think of a new plan. You know me now. Don't worry. We'll think of something new.
This thing vex me. It vex me.
Hi.
See, teacher, my little advice for you. You need to tone down this your makeup, okay? You're not here to run any beauty pageant. You're here to teach kids. Or are you here to impress anybody? I'm asking you.
Sorry, are you talking to me?
No, I'm talking to the one behind you. Rubbish. Sis,
Yes.
I don't like that your children's teacher. What's that her name again?
Emma?
Whatever. I want to know her name. But I don't just like her. Don't like her at all.
You complain about everybody. Okay, tell me. Aside from my children and I, who do you really like? You see? You don't like anybody. Huh?
I don't want to know. I don't even care. I don't just like her. My spirits don't like that girl.
Mirabelle. Mirabelle, you're my twin sister and I know you very well. You have been like this since we were kids. I mean, you complain about everybody. And that's why you don't have friends. And honestly, it has affected you. Believe me, you need to change. Eh? Look, I don't want you to start disliking this innocent, hardworking, intelligent girl that is just tutoring my children. The kids like her. Please.
Okay. I'll be leaving tomorrow. I think I have overstayed my welcome.
Mirabelle, why? I thought you said you'd be leaving by the weekend.
Sis, I have my own house too. And I have things to take care of.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. But I really hope this will not require urgent money.
Why not? Am I not your twin sister again?
Oh, okay. Carry me now. Because I'm your twin sister.
Is it your money? Is it not your husband's money?
Oh, okay.
Yes.
It's my husband's money. Go and collect it from him now.
My in-law. You will give me my
Go
in-law's
and
money
collect the money from him.
You will give me.
Don't
I'm
go
your
and get
twin sister.
married. Don't go and get married and be collecting money from your own husband.
Okay, it's
Your
like you don't
twin
want me
sister.
to come to your house again.
You're so unserious.
You give me money.
Mirabelle.
Yes, Fred. Send in all the containers first thing tomorrow morning. Yeah, that's about 80 million naira, right? Yes, I'll send you 60 first and I'll send 20 later. Let me talk to you later. Yeah, Fred. Okay. What are you doing? Okay, see now I'm on the call. What is wrong with you?
Sorry.
You were saying something the other time.
Oh, okay. Babe. Miss Emma called. She said she won't be coming in today to tutor the kids. She's sick.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Though she said she would be coming tomorrow, but I asked her to take a few days off, and I also sent her some money to treat herself.
Oh, that's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. So how much did you send?
100,000.
Oh, fair enough. Check it out.
Babe.
Yes, sir.
Do you know I'm actually very, very happy that I made Miss Emma the children's tutor. You won't believe how much Jane and Jasmine has improved in their academics since Miss Emma started tutoring them.
Wow, that's good.
Okay, so I'm thinking I should cancel their school lessons and make Miss Emma their permanent tutor.
Well, if that is what you want to do, it's fine. But that means we'll have to double the salary.
Oh, this man.
What? That means you'll be doing double.
I understand. I'm just saying you're always ahead of me. You're so understanding.
Come on, don't be like this. Look.
How did I get this jackpot? God.
Come on, I'm just trying to make sure you're comfortable and you're happy. And I'll do anything, everything to put a smile on this beautiful face.
Babe, did I tell you that you're the best thing that has happened to me after God and my parents?
Come here. I love you.
Another one.
What are you
doing?
I'm walking.
Thank you very much for the money.
Oh, come on. It's okay. You feel better now, right?
Yeah.
That's good.
Thank you.
And I also want to tell you that I'll be traveling this weekend. So the children will not be having their lessons tomorrow. I would like to go out with them before I travel.
Oh, are you traveling with them too?
No, I'm not traveling with them. I just want to take them out before I travel. Okay. So we'll have the whole day tomorrow.
Alright, that's not a problem, Mom.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, Mom.
Do enjoy the rest of your day, okay?
Sure, I will. You too.
Yeah, thank you.
I'll be on my way now.
Okay. Bye.
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 Babe, are you sure you'll come to the lunch?
Well, I just hope so. Because my boss traveled and I know that her sister must have picked up the kids. So, why not?
Alright. If you have the chance, make sure you don't let it slip. You know it's our turn to taste this national cake.
Hey, wait. Are we just friends or partners in crime?
No, we are partners in making money.
Partners in making money. I love that. Oh my god. Man. So babe, what do you think about what I'm wearing?
You look good. Love it.
Really?
No, of course. Looks so nice. Sexy.
This is easy. Just,
Oh, wow. Ah,
Hi.
Miss Emma. Good day. How are you?
Good day, sir. I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, I guess this is your favorite spot now.
Well, I actually like their service here.
Ah, that's good. Have fun, please.
Thank.
Sorry, can I get a bottle of Valletta wine? All right, hurry, please.
Do you mind I join you?
Sorry?
Do you mind I join you?
Oh, yeah.
To keep you company?
That's fine with you. Okay.
Okay.
You can sit, it's fine. Yeah, please. Thank you.
Please help me with this when you're done, okay? Yeah. Help me move that. Oh. Yeah, thank you. So, how is work?
Oh, work is fine.
Great. And the kids?
Oh, they're fine. Sorry, excuse me. I need to take this call.
Oh.
Hello? Oh, sorry. That was my wife. She called to check up on me.
Oh, wow. That's so nice of her.
Oh, yeah.
How's she doing?
She's doing great. What's this guy calling me again for? Talk to you.
happened? Looks like it was successful.
Hey!
Ujana.
3 rounds.
What?
3 rounds.
You mean this guy went 3 rounds?
Babe, this guy is sweet. This guy. Hey, babe. Hell!
See me here worried about you and you were enjoying yourself.
That is my enjoyment though. Babe, I had so much fun.
Welcome to real money.
What?
Hey.
I just felt like bringing this guy home. I enjoyed myself. Babe, this guy is sweet. Hey!
Oh my God. Don't make her.
This is now the time for us to take our share of the national cake.
Period.
And that's on period.
I'm so happy.
Emma.
Yeah.
What happened between us shouldn't have happened in the first place. I just don't get it. I don't know what came over me. For 10 years, I have never broken my marriage vows. I don't know how that just happened in few minutes. I love my wife so much, and I love my kids. They mean the world to me. I can't risk losing them for any reason. I'm telling you all this because what happened between us, I want it to remain between us. No one should know about it. My wife must not know about it. Look, I'll give you any amount you want, anything you want, just name it. Just name it, please.
Anything you say,
Just name your price, I'll give you.
I want you.
Excuse me?
You heard me. I want you. I want the money. I want everything. I want all of you.
Wait, are you okay? Are you out of your mind? Are you listening to yourself talk?
There's nothing wrong with me. I am okay.
Look, Emma, I am not joking. Just tell me the amount you want and I'll transfer it to your account, please. I will give you 10 million naira. 10 million to walk away and pretend nothing ever happened between us. Please.
Fine. I want the money. But I want more.
Wait, are you out of your mind?
No.
Send me your account, I'll send you 10 million naira, please. Just let this remain between us. No one must know about it.
Fine. I'll send it. But remember, I want you.
What? Are you out of your mind? Are you sick? Send me your account number, please.
I'll send it.
I know you like rice a lot. Babe, you're not eating. Are you okay?
Oh, yes. I am fine.
Babe, I noticed that you've been a little bit off these days. Is everything okay? I mean, is it work stress?
Come on, darling, everything's fine. Yes, work is stressful, but I'm okay. Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, sure. Yes, I'm sure.
Please eat your food.
Okay. Yeah, sure, I will.
I just hate how foolish Frank is. How can he ask me to keep that private moment we had together a secret?
Don't mind him. He's completely unaware of the trap he has fallen into.
And I hate the way he talks about his wife. Huh? I just wish she was barren. I'd have just faked the pregnancy on him.
You know you can still do it. You know?
How? Okay, wait. I think I can just tell him that I'm pregnant. That it's probably a son. Oh, no. Just forget it. That guy will just ask me to terminate it.
Hmm? Really? Are you sure he's that kind of a person?
So what's really wrong with this guy? Eh? Baby, welcome.
Thank you. You look troubled. Are you okay? What is wrong?
Babe, it's the CCTV guy.
What about him?
I've been trying to reach this guy to come check the CCTV and he's not even showing up. CCTV is no longer displaying. And I even used Miss Emma's phone to call him and it turned out that he's somewhere outside the States working.
Oh, come on, darling. Is that why you're stressing yourself? You could have just told me that the CCTV is faulty. I would have taken care of it.
Hey,
What?
I noticed that you have been stressed lately and I didn't want to stress you with a little thing.
What is she talking? What are you saying, darling? Come here. Stress me. Stress me. I'm all yours. Stress me. Look, you know the guy is very good at what he does. So I think it's just best if we wait for him to come back.
That's actually why I haven't called someone else, because he's good at what he does.
See? I was right after all.
Welcome, baby. It was good.
Miss you.
How was yours?
Beautiful, stressful, but now I'm happy. Come on.
Sweetheart.
Okay, so I need to change. Come. Wait.
Babe, are you sure the CCTV hasn't been fixed? We really need to be careful, oh. We can't afford such costly mistake. Not now when we are this close to getting what we want.
Don't you trust me again?
I trust you.
Okay. She used my phone to call the CCTV guy. And after she left, I called him back. I made him an offer.
I trust you now, my smart girl.
Number one.
Madam, nobody there house.
What do you mean by nobody there house? Where did they go to?
Jen's sick, they rush am go hospital.
Oh my God, what happened? Which hospital did they take her to?
I know Sabi. I know Sabi. If you call them, make you confirm. I never hear from them since where they left yesterday. Today where they come, I never hear from them.
Okay, that's fine. I'll just call. I'll call.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you.
God knows the best, okay?
I hate to admit it. I'm out of
How can I say without my dream good?
Most
It's
of
okay.
the times I think I'll make it through.
God knows the best.
All that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just the
Well, finally, I have all the chance in the world. I can now seduce him and, trap a fake pregnancy on him.
No, Emma, you can't do that. That's too dangerous.
Why? What do you mean by I can't do that?
That's not what I'm saying. For goodness sake, this man is grieving. You cannot seduce a man that is grieving. He's too broken.
So how is that my business? What do you expect me to do?
Emma, what you're going to do is, you're going to capitalize on this period to gain access to the home. Deepen your relationship with them, show some level of sympathy. Like you said, his wife is an orphan, and her ill-mannered sister has gone back, right? Then Frank's parents are in the United States, and his friends visit once or twice a week. Do you know the sweetest part? They don't have a maid. You can use this as a golden advantage, sleep in quietly, and you will be indispensable. Then you can do whatever you want.
You're truly a genius. Tell me, what will I do without you?
Baby girl, if I don't take care of you,
who will?
So what's the latest about the police investigations? What are they saying?
Those ones, they are deliberately trying to bring out something out of nothing. I mean, the police has investigated every single person in the house. And for me now, I stood on my words. I said I left immediately after I finished with the kids. And the mother confirmed it. But police people, they will not give up. Frank bought the ice cream. The mother gave it to Jane. No parents will deliberately poison their own child.
Look at the way you are narrating this whole story without any iota of remorse.
I beg you, no remorse help. Well, I'm just trying my best to get something out of something.
I trust you now. Emma, you're such a criminal.
Hey, I beg, lower your voice. You don't know if there is any police person trailing me here. I beg you, carry people for problem. All right, toast to you, the new and upcoming madam.
I saw Emma in the kitchen cooking. Why?
Yeah, babe, she actually volunteered to help take care of Jasmine. It's a trying time and...
Darling, no. This is not a good idea at all. I don't like it. I'm not comfortable with it. I don't like anyone around our family space. You know that?
Babe, but Miss Emma is just like a family now.
Darling, you're not getting this.
Babe, everybody that came to mourn with us has left. And I want somebody around now. It's a trying time for me. I miss Jane every day. I practically see her everywhere in the house. I just want somebody to help me out. It's really hard for me, okay, baby. How can I live without my daughter? Baby, it's hard.
It's fine, I understand.
It's hard.
I understand, it's fine. It's fine.
Dinner is ready. I'll go give Auntie Mary this. Okay?
Don't come close to me. Stop it.
I'm sure you don't want your wife knowing about your sexcapade.
You will do no such thing. You hear me?
Watch me.
Stop it! What is wrong with you? What is your problem? No, tell me. I offered you 10 million naira to walk away. I waited for you to send your account number. You did not. Now you are acting like a witch. Are you out of your mind? What's the call of it? Don't come close to me. Go back.
I don't want 10 million naira. I want you. I want everything.
Don't come close to me. What is wrong with you? Are you out of your mind? Are you sick?
Of course I'm not.
Hey! Get away from me. You're out of your mind. Obviously you're possessed. Witch.
Cindy, I have tried everything. I have tried to seduce him. I have tried more than how many times to get close to him, but he's not even yielding. I mean, you should have just allowed me follow my initial plan.
Emma, calm down, okay? Just breathe. He will come around. If you start acting too fast, they will start suspecting you.
Anyways, the wife has already asked the police to close the case and everyone is finally getting back on their feet. And the difficult atmosphere too has been lifted and everywhere is a bit calmer. I'm glad she listened to my advice, you know, telling her to avoid anything that will bring back bad memories. You know, because she should just let everything slide. Our beautiful Jane is never going to come back. That's the truth.
You don't enter this family final. And I think you should send him your account details and get the 10 million naira first. It's not wise to put all our eggs in one basket, no matter how neat the basket looks.
No, Cindy, no. No way. I am not doing that. I don't want the 10 million naira. I want him. I want everything. I want to be his wife. I want to get close to him. This is not just about the money. I just want everything. I want to own him. Gosh, this guy is my kind of man. I can't let him go. I want to be by his side every night. Come on.
Calm down, baby girl. You will get everything you want. But first, let's secure this 10 million naira. This money is huge. We need it. Like mad. Stop this shakara, beg. Trust me, he's going to come around.
Okay, fine. If you say so, I'll ask him to send the 10 million naira to me. But Cindy, it is not about the money. It's about him. I want him more than that money.
I understand, babe. Just don't derail from the plan. Let's stay focused.
Okay. Oh, Mom, I was just coming to your bedroom.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I wanted to ask, the goat meat and chicken. Which do you prefer for the stew?
Okay. Goat meat and chicken. We had chicken stew last week, so let's make goat meat stew today.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Miss Emma, thank you so much. Thank you for everything you do for us.
You don't have to thank me.
You're such a relief.
Welcome, sir.
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. How was the day?
Fine. How was your day?
So.
Ow!
Sorry.
Oh.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You sure you're fine?
So, you
Babe.
good? What?
I saw what you did.
What did I do? I didn't do nothing. What are you
You bought us a new house.
Oh, wow.
Baby,
What is
come
it?
on. Oh, that's a lot.
What do you mean it's a lot? Come on, darling. You deserve even more. I mean, you deserve everything good because you mean the world to me and I love you so much. What?
You're such a sweet man, you know.
Don't I deserve a kiss
You're
for
the-
that?
What's wrong with you? Come on. You're the best man in the world, you know. My sweet husband. Oh, my baby.
No. I can't take this anymore. I can't. What is the meaning of this? Wait. So he gave me 10 million naira. Just 10 million naira to shut me up and spend millions of naira on a house for his wife? What does he take me for? A fool? Okay. We shall see. Mom, you sent for me.
Yes. Miss Emma, please can you help me get some things from the supermarket?
Sure. What is it?
Okay.
Babe, don't worry. I'll get it for you.
Babe. But you said you have an important online meeting.
Yeah, it's not a problem. I can always find my way around it. And Miss Emma, she's been working since morning. I think she needs to rest. Yeah.
Okay.
And also, I think it's about time we excuse her for now. I mean, yeah, she's been helping us for the past weeks now. I think she needs to rest for now. Yeah, let's not forget she has her own life to live. She can always come around next summer to teach Jasmine, okay?
Yeah.
And also, I spoke to Greg about finding a maid for us. So that'll be done in no time, okay?
Babe.
What?
Maid?
Yeah.
You don't like the idea of a maid?
Oh, come on, darling. I just want to make things easier for you. You know I care about you so much.
I know.
Yeah.
Baby.
So, what do you want to get for you?
I'll send them to you. I'll text you. Thanks,
Be back shortly,
darling.
yeah.
You're just the best in the whole world, yeah?
All right, yeah.
Thank you, darling. Miss Emma. Sit down. I'm so sorry. Honestly, I didn't realize how much you have overworked yourself for my family. I mean, I'm sorry. So selfish of me. The pain, I was blinded by the pain and I didn't remember you have a family, like a beautiful life to live too.
Come on, ma'am. I am not complaining. You don't have to apologize.
I know you won't complain, but it will be selfish of me to still keep you here. So since tomorrow is the weekend, please can you just go back home, okay? And I'll send you something huge to appreciate what you have been doing for us. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
But do you really want me to leave?
Why not? No, you have tried. Honestly, you have tried. And like my husband said, you'll come the next summer to come and coach Jasmine, okay?
You're welcome.
Mm.
And thank you too.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you.
I'll just go back.
Oh, it's fine. Thank you.
Emma, what is going on? Why did you leave the place like that? What about everything we've been planning? What about everything we've been working for? Don't tell me you want to give up. Or have you? Emma, I'm talking to you. Aren't you going to say anything? Emma, where are you going to? Oh my God. This was not the plan, Emma. Emma! Babe, it's been 2 weeks. Are you just going to let all that you've worked for collapse in your presence? Don't you want to experience your dream life anymore? Emma, you've come too far to give up now. And I know you're not a coward. So brace up and take action.
Thank you so much, Cindy. But don't worry. I'll fix it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
That's my girl.
Hey, Daddy's here.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Sugar level.
Check.
Hotness.
Perfect.
So I can go ahead.
It's your wall.
Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, darling.
And have a good day at work.
Yeah, sure, I will. Yes, the new maid is going to resume work tomorrow or day after. All right?
All right, darling. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I love you. Thank you so much, baby.
You're welcome, darling.
And babe, hope you did your background check.
Don't worry, you can trust me on that. I did.
Anyway, I trust you.
Come here. Love you.
Love you too, baby.
All right.
Babe, I'll be going to the salon later in the day. I need to wash and wave my hair.
Oh, okay. That's all right. I'll send you some money.
No, I don't need money. Thank you.
What do you mean you don't need money? Are
Babe,
you sure?
come on. I have millions of your money in my bank account, so what do I need more money for?
Hey, I'm your husband. You're my wife. I'll do everything to put a smile on your beautiful face.
And you're doing more than enough already.
It's never enough, darling.
Baby, come on, go to work.
Come here. I'm not ready.
Baby.
See when I come back.
I
love you.
I love you. I love you. My husband is so sweet.
Frank, take heart. This too shall pass, okay? It's going to be fine. Take heart.
I can't sleep. War in my mind. I'm trying to fight a war in my mind. I don't know who's the winner tonight, but it ain't me. Where are you now? When my fears are worse than ever. When the night goes on forever. When I'm losing track of time. Where are you now? When I need you more than
Auntie, when is my mommy coming back?
together. Let me know just where you hide. Where are you now?
Jasmine, Mommy has gone to be with the Lord.
That is what Mom told me about my sister.
Look, Daddy will tell you everything later, okay?
My mind's accelerating, and I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friend said you were overrated. I always told them that
Here.
you couldn't understand. The things you did to me, you showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free.
Thank you. Thank you for all you do for the family. I really appreciate it.
It's okay. I mean, this is just little compared to what you've been through in the past few months. It's the least I can do.
It's just too much for me. It's too much for me. It's too much, Emma. I mean, I lost my wife and my daughter in a very short time. It's too much.
It's okay.
All the things you did to me,
it's okay.
You showed me what it's like to fall in love. Only you could set me free. I didn't think that I could ever get enough. You know it can be frustrating that it couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasting.
Hi.
Savior, hi. I don't need your greetings. Ima, whatever they call your name. I never knew you were so cheap. Yes. You're cheap.
What are you doing here? No, tell me, what exactly are you doing here?
Oh, I see. So because my sister is gone, you think you can make yourself comfortable, right? Ima, you are so shameless. You're shameless. The day I saw you walk into this house, I knew it. Ima, you're nothing but a prostitute. Yes!
What did you just call
You're
me?
a prostitute now.
Very
You're
much.
very stupid. Oh. Jasmine, you're not watching your cartoon.
Auntie, when is Mommy coming back?
Don't worry, very soon. Don't worry, okay? Watch your cartoon. I'll get you ice cream. Okay? Alright. I'll be back.
Okay.
Be fast, okay? Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my love. How are you?
Fine.
You ready?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
let me help.
that's fine. Thank you. I'll do that. Hurry up. Yeah, let's finish up, darling.
Okay, that's fine.
All right, let's go. Talk to bed, okay? All right. Say bye-bye, Auntie.
Bye.
All right, let's go.
Do have a nice day.
So this is where you are.
What? Are you mad? Are you mad? Come on, give me this thing. Is something wrong with you? What kind of nonsense? Don't deal with you.
Let her be, okay? Just let her be.
Girl, she's just a stumbling block. Or maybe I should just...
No. Please, we have done enough. Calm down, okay? Just let her be. After all, she has her own house. Her twin sister is dead. Her visit will be limited before you know it.
Okay, it's fine. I'll just report her to Frank. That's all.
No, please. She's Mary's only surviving family, remember? Aside Frank and Jasmine, you can handle that later. After Frank has made his intentions towards you, Claire. Just calm down, okay?
Okay.
Buddy, I've been thinking about something. I don't know how this is going to sound, but I think I want to start dating Emma.
You want to start dating Emma?
Yeah. I mean, she already has a good relationship with Jasmine. They get along so easily. And she has been around the house doing a lot. Cooking, helping out, cleaning. So, why not?
How long have you been thinking about this? I mean, I've known you for years, Frank. It's never this easy for you to fall in love. What changed? And don't tell me it's because you're trying to get closure. It's barely been months since Mary passed.
Yeah, you said months. Not days, months. I miss Mary so much. I mean, she was everything to me. I loved her with all my heart. And then life happened. But you think it's easy? You think it's easy for me? I mean, I am doing this because of Jasmine. It's not easy for her too. You know, I barely go out. I barely socialize. May was the one taking me out to dinners, parties, lounge. Ordinarily, I wouldn't do all of that. And I don't have any female friend. Emma is the one always around me. She's the one I see every day. Come on, you should understand this, buddy.
Look, I understand, but I still think that love should be the major reason you enter into a relationship and not pity. Okay, see,
right.
Jasmine is still a kid, right? She would always adjust. As a matter of fact, she would eventually connect with whoever you end up with.
Yeah, you're right. You're very correct. She seems like a nice person to me. I mean, she's been there. She's kind to Jasmine. She's always helping her out. Look, don't get me wrong. I'm not talking about love here. Because you and I know that love doesn't just happen. I'm just talking about having her around, you know. I don't know.
Okay, I understand you. I just hope you've given this some thought though. But as long as you're happy, I'm fine.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you for all you do. Thank you for
Anytime.
always being there for me, man.
Anytime.
I really appreciate.
Yes. As a matter of fact, I have something to do inside.
Oh, okay. Yes, also, it's been a long time we had Amala.
Ah.
Buddy, come on, let's go have
That's
it.
Amala.
Let's go have it after work today.
Definitely.
Right.
No problem.
All right, man. Take care.
All right.
See you around.
Yeah.
You finally asked you out.
Yes, it did.
Oh my god, girl. This is finally happening.
Yeah. I am so excited, baby girl. I mean, everything I've ever prayed for is happening. Everything I have ever wished for is happening already.
My dear, you're blessed.
Yes, thank you so much, my friend. I mean, if not for you, what? Well, I won't be here. I won't be in this house. But I want to say thank you to you again for all your support, your care, your advice, everything.
Anytime. I got you. If you can remember, I told you to calm down. I told you it will happen.
Well, yes, you did. Thank you. Guess what?
What again?
He said that I should move in permanently and he wants me to take care of Jasmine full time.
Wow. Oh my god, girl. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. And you know what's the craziest part of it? I spoke with his mom and she loves me already.
Wow. This is good news. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to be Mrs. Frank.
You can say that again. Thank you.
Baby girl, this is a good news. I can't wait. I can't wait for you to be Mrs. Frank Helen.
Same here.
Don't remind me. Thanks for the money, girl. I got my boutique. It's finally coming up.
Well, you don't worry. When I'm fully settled, you're going to have several boutiques in Lagos. Trust your baby girl now.
Yes, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. I can't wait to see the look on that, what's the her name again? Mirabelle or whatever it is she calls herself. I can't wait to see it in her face. Girl, I'm winning.
Hey, thank you. Thank you for everything you do. I really can't thank you enough. I mean, for the care, for looking after me and Jasmine. I'm really grateful.
It's okay. You're always welcome. I'm glad I am here doing this for you. And thank you for loving me. Thank you for accepting me. I love you.
You're welcome.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Good morning.
Good morning.
You good?
Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning, my angel. How are you today? Hi. I can't take this. I'm late already.
No, come on. You won't do that. You have to.
Please.
Something. Even if it's me too.
Something. Let me take yours then. Something. That's something. So,
make sure you don't stress yourself at work today.
Okay, yeah, sure, I won't. Thank you.
And don't forget your promise.
Oh, yes. My cordialer said it should arrive next week.
Oh my god, babe! Aww, aren't you so sweet? Thank you.
So, I also gave you some money sent to your account, so you and Jasmine can go out somewhere nice for lunch later.
Ooh, really? Aww. Thank you, my love. Alright.
See you.
Alright, so have a nice day.
Bye. Love you.
Alright.
Love you, darling.
I'll order you something.
Okay, that's fine. Oh. One more night.
Yes. There's no blood here. This is clean water.
No, it was red. It turned red.
No, ma, this is clean water. There's no blood there. There's no blood there.
But I know what I saw. I turned it on and it turned red.
This is clean water. There's no blood, okay? Just relax. I feel no blood. Take care. No blood now.
Good. Thank you. What is it? What is it that you...
Emma, I think you're just hallucinating.
Hallucinating. I said I saw her with my 2 eyes. You don't get it. This is not a dream. First, it was me in the bathroom and the water turning into blood. Then while we were eating at the dining, she appeared right there.
Oh, Emma. Emma, you've been watching a lot of horror movies lately. They are messing with your head. There is nothing like ghost or apparition.
Babe, you're not understanding what I'm saying. I said I saw her. I saw her. Why can't you just believe me? I mean, you know you're the only one I can talk to, right? And I cannot tell Frank about this. So why can't you just believe me?
Emma, listen. I think your mind is playing tricks on you. It's not real. So you better get a grip on yourself before you ruin everything. Your dream car is on the way. Don't start with all this nonsense drama to spoil the whole plan. Hey, God. See me now. I have my dream boutique because of you. If not for you, where do you think I would have seen this kind of money? Please, all this, there is nothing like ghosts and they don't exist. For crying out loud.
Why is the wine empty?
No.
What do you mean, no?
I dropped a bottle of wine here. And the fruits.
Emma, what are you talking about? There's no fruit here. And the...
No, babe, I'm sure I dropped a bottle of wine and some fruits. Jesus!
What?
Babe!
You served empty plate?
No, I didn't! What is going on? Babe, there was jollof rice in here, chicken, fruits, and a bottle of wine.
Where's the food? Where's the fruit? Where's the wine?
Just before I stepped out to call you. Wait, I served it. The last I dropped here was a bottle of wine and desperate. Like I stepped out to call you.
Because so have you checked the kitchen?
Babe, I'm so sure of what I'm saying. There is nothing in the kitchen. I said...
Okay, so where's the food?
What do you mean she's been acting strange?
I don't even understand myself, buddy. I mean, she's been screaming a lot lately, misplacing things, acting weird. Sometimes it's like she's saying something I can't see. Man, it's scary and it's starting to freak me out. Stop laughing, I'm not joking.
Ah, women. Women and all their gimmicks.
What do you mean women and all their gimmicks?
Calm down, guy. Listen, see, sometimes, right, women act up when they want something. They know how to get in our heads.
Yeah, what are you saying? By frustrating me? Is that the best way to go about it? Like, why would she even think about it in the first place? Bro, I practically give this lady everything she wants. Care, attention, understanding. So why would she want to frustrate me? For what?
Relax, bro. I don't mean it that way. See, I'm just saying, right? Maybe she's trying to pass a message across.
A message across? What are you talking about?
Think about it. Maybe she wants a ring.
A ring? I don't get it. What do you mean?
I mean, she's practically living in your house. She's already acting like the wife. She takes care of you and your daughter, and you still haven't said anything about marriage. See, trust me, she's probably feeling insecure. Or better still, maybe she has one of her friends whispering in her ear saying, you're just at the man's house without a ring. You know how these women think now.
Wait, hold on, buddy, hold on a second. What are you talking about? Marriage? Just like that? Are you saying that all this drama might be because of marriage?
Yes! My brother, propose to this woman and watch all this madness disappear.
It's so easy for you to say. What are you saying? Propose to, just like that? Is that how they propose, just like that? Oh, this is crazy, man. I can't believe this. I cannot believe this. So, you cannot fully understand this gender?
Trust me, bro. You can never understand them.
Like, just like that, and then she's acting with screaming, shouting, misplacing things. Wow, this is crazy. Anyways, thank you. I appreciate it.
Anytime, bro.
Do you see what that child did? You have to learn how to be respectful, okay? So just learn from this.
Hey, Daddy's home.
Hey, baby.
Hey. Welcome, my love. How are you? Fine. Come here. How was your day?
Fine.
So Daddy got you this. Yeah.
Wow, thank you, Dad.
You like it? Ice cream? Yes. So why don't you go to your room? Dad will come meet you shortly, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
All right,
Come give us a hug. Okay, just go to your bedroom, okay? I love you too, my baby. So, baby, now you haven't given me my own hug.
Come here. How was your day?
Fine, thank you.
Thank you for all you do. I see how she's so comfortable around you. Hey, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Come on, you don't have to thank me. I am doing this for you, for us.
And to show you that I really appreciate all you've been doing. Of course, that I care about you.
Okay.
And I want you around all the time. Hey.
Babe!
Please marry me. I mean, you're the only one around me now. I don't have any other choice. And of course, I feel very comfortable around you. I don't want to fly away.
Come on, you don't have to ask me twice. Yes? Oh my God!
Hey, you happy?
Yes, I am. Come here.
So,
Babe, this is beautiful.
Yeah, I know.
I love it.
Come here.
Thank you.
Oh my God. This This is an amazing news, Emma. Oh my God. We need to celebrate.
I can't believe this is really happening.
You know what? This calls for a proper celebration.
Of course. And you know what? In fact, I need to just go, grab a bottle and start celebrating immediately because I cannot believe I am getting married.
And yes, I am going to be your chief bridesmaid.
Of course! Who else would be? Yeah, thank you, baby girl.
I always told you to be careful. Oh, careful.
Well. Look who we have here. Well, I am sure you saw Frank's WhatsApp status. He proposed. You can see it clearly. All your efforts, everything is just wasted. Just like that. If I were you, I would stay in my lane. You know what that means, right? I wonder why you haven't gotten yourself a man. Frank was your twin sister's husband, and now my husband. And you know what that means? You don't have a place in this house anymore. So I'll advise you. Go get yourself a man. Menopause is knocking. Act fast. Your days are numbered in this house, madam. So don't be too comfortable. Stupid.
Mirabelle, I want to thank you for all you've been doing. I mean, each time you come around, you always take care of Jasmine. And all your support since your sister's passing, I truly appreciate.
You're welcome.
Actually, I want to explain to you why I chose Emma. I know you haven't been happy since I proposed to her. I want you to know that I did this for reasons best known to me. Emma and Jasmine get along so well, and I believe with time, I will get along with her too. So please, I want you to respect my decision. I'm actually doing this for Jasmine and for me. Also, I wish you a safe journey as you return home tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I will send you some money before you leave tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, now waiting I see with this, so I make me come call you inside.
Oh my God. What is going on? Emma! Emma! What are you doing here?
Oh my God. How did I get here? What happened? What am I doing here, babe? What happened? How did I get here? Babe. What is going on?
Hey, you know what? When the mechanic gets here, let me know.
Okay, sir.
Come. How did I get here?
I can't tell you. I don't know. I just see you here this morning. I rush to go call Oga. I swear, I don't know. God.
Babe! Please, I beg you, please, don't hurt me, please.
You're such a wicked soul.
Please, I beg you, don't hurt me, please.
Confess everything you did. If you don't, I'll make your life very miserable.
Please, don't hurt me, please, I beg.
My mind's accelerating when I'm thinking about the good times that we had. My friends said you were overrated. I always told them they couldn't understand the things you did to me.
Yes, run!
Emma, what is it? Emma, what is it?
Please!
What is it? Why are you screaming?
Emma, what is this? What is going on? What is wrong with you? Do you realize there's a kid in this house? What do you want her to think about all this drama you've been putting up lately?
Drama? You call this drama?
If it's not drama, then what is this? What is wrong with you?
What do you mean by what is wrong with me? What? I'll confess!
Confess what? To who?
Please forgive me, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
What did you do? What is wrong with you?
I poisoned Jane. Please forgive me, please. I'm sorry.
Wait. You did what?
somebody tampered with your wife's car that led to the accident. Please, please, I'm sorry. Please, please.
Jesus, Jesus. Jesus Christ.
I'm trying to fight a war in my mind. I don't know who's the winner tonight, but it ain't me.
Jesus Christ. What have I
Where
done?
are you now?
What did
When my fears are worse than ever, when the night goes on forever, when I'm losing track of time. Where are you now? When I need you more than ever, when I ain't got together, let me know just where you hide.
I'm so sorry, Mary. I'm so sorry. It's all my fault. I'm sorry. I didn't keep up with our wedding vows. I did not. I messed up. I know I betrayed you. I did. And I know that you will be regretting ever bringing a stranger into our home. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I couldn't protect you. I couldn't protect Jay.
When my fears are worse than ever,
Lord have mercy. The heart of man is desperately wicked. Who would have known? I'm sure she's rotten in hell right now. And this will also serve as a lesson to everyone. You have to be careful the kind of people you let into your home. I mean, how could she do this to you? Someone that you took in as family. No. The heart of man is desperately wicked. No one can ever be trusted. I'm so sorry, Frank. I'm deeply sorry. You know what? I think what Grandma said is best for you and Jasmine. You definitely need a change of environment now. Travel to America. Stay there for a while. Your business will be fine. Everything will be okay. It's all right.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew something was not right about that girl. But I warned my sister. You will surely rot in hell. Wicked girl.
If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas, I don't know what to do. Most of the times I think I'll make it through, but all that it takes is one image of you and it shivers. Nobody knows the way it shivers. Nobody knows. It hurts just a little when I'm with my friends and we drink till we're done. Yeah. So I can't remember how it would feel to wake up in that bed right beside you. All of the memories I tried to erase just comes back when I'm sober and I see that face and it shivers. shivers. Nobody knows because it shivers. It's cold and it's dark without you in my arms. Yeah, it shivers, it hurts. If just for a minute I'd fall asleep and not dream about you. And I hate to admit it, I'm out of ideas. I don't know if I'll cope without